Swastiastu. Hi everyone. Today we are going to make a podcast or Q&A, question and answer.
About asking, giving, and refusing permissions.
Okay, before we start to the video, to the podcast, let we introduce ourselves. My name is Nilan Putu Saraswati with study number 23111711061 and my friends.
And then my name is Igustia Istaning Depani with study number is 23111711052.
Okay, let's move to the video. So for the beginning, I will explain about formal and informal situation or settings in asking, giving, and refusing permissions. So for the first one, I will explain about the formal situation. Formal situation are those where we need to be more polite and respectful. This often happens in places like work, school, official or serious events. And then the way you talk and speak is be more careful, proper by using polite words or expressions. Okay, I will explain about informal situations are those where you can relax and use casual language. And then this happen with friends, with your family, and in casual or social settings, the way you speak can be more casual, be more relaxed and straightforward and less formal.
Then I will continue talk about what is asking, giving, and refusing permissions. Asking permissions is mean you need to do something and you need to make sure someone else first. It's all respect for the other one person's authority or ownerships. And giving permissions is mean you are saying it's okay for someone to do something they ask. And then for refusing permissions means you are saying it's not okay for someone to do something they ask. Okay, Saras, do you know and can you explain the common expressions were used in formal situations?
Yes, of course. I know some of the expression of asking, giving, and refusing permissions. Okay, the common expressions when we talk informal situations. So for the asking permissions, we can use "May I?" "Could I?" "Do you mind if I?" Blah blah blah. "Would you mind if I?" Blah blah blah. "Could I possibly?" Blah blah blah. And the last one, I think, if you don't mind, I'd like to, like that. And then for the giving permissions, you can use these expressions such as no, no at all, yes of course, yes you may, yes it's my pleasure to help you, certainly be my guest, like that. You can use this expression. And then for when you want to or must to refuse someone request or permissions in a formal situations, you can use the polite way such as I'm sorry, that won't be possible. I'm afraid that out of the questions, and then I would rather that you didn't, and then I'm afraid not, and the last one, unfortunately, that's not possible, like that. You can use these expressions, I think.
Okay, Saras, can you give me an example about that?
About the formal situation, right?
Yes.
Yeah. For the example for asking, when the student asking to the teacher for permissions, like they say, could I have an extensions on deadline for my assignment? And then if the teacher allow and giving the permissions, they would say, yes, of course, you can have an extensions. Submit it by the end of the week. And then when the teacher not allow and refusing the permissions, the teacher would say, unfortunately, that's not possible. The deadline is final, like that.
Okay.
So, Aditya, can you tell us about some expressions in informal expressions situations?
Okay, in informal situation, okay. I will explain the common expressions used in informal situations. For asking permissions, you can say like, can I? Or do you think I can blah blah blah? Or is that okay if I blah blah blah? Is that possible is that possible for me to blah blah blah? Like that. And for giving permissions, you can say like, yes, sure, like no problem or not a problem, like yes, of course, and then go for it. And then for refusing permissions, you can say not a chance, not a really, and then I'd rather you didn't. And then the last, you can say not this time, like That's it.
Okay, idea for the example. Can you tell us about the example, one for asking, one for giving, and refusing?
Okay, I will give one example. When someone asks permission, like, can I borrow your car for weekend? And then when you want to giving a permissions, you can say, yeah, of course you can. Just be careful and have a fun and safe weekend. And then when you want to refuse,
Yeah.
you can say, not a chance. I need it for my own use. Like that says.
So guys, that's all from our podcast. Hope you enjoy it and give you some information, some knowledge, new knowledge. And then we
Close with Paramasanti. Om Santi Santi Santi.
thank you.
Thank you.